Sierra Sungod sunglasses, thanks to Alexa from Still Stoked. So basically what I've got here is a beautiful sunglass from Sungod, and it's called the Sierra. I picked the Sierra because I've got a Sierra model car, so it was a bit, I don't know, lame of me, but I thought I would just do it anyway. I got to pick the colors because with the Sungods you can basically customize them to whatever color that you want, which I think is pretty cool. I just went for a super black and a black taut with the black lens, you know. It's got a polarized lens as well, and they're using their 4KO optics system, which is basically like a lot of the current goggle lens technologies that you'll find in ski and snowboard goggles. So it's basically designed to give you definition on the snow or on whatever environment you're using your sunglasses. And it is definitely giving me some serious definition. It's really crisp, everything's really clear, and the polarization on the snow today, while it's really bright out here at Guthega, is absolutely perfect. It's really just cutting it right out. And we've started at the bottom, we're gonna head up, finish at the top, and I'll give you my final thoughts on these sunnies. They're a pretty nice frame as well, not too crazy, pretty simple, like a nice sort of almost like retro round-eyed sunglass. But yeah, they're super light and super clear, clarity is fantastic, and I'm really enjoying them. So let's keep going. So I've made it to the top where we're going to stop, and we're going to ski down from here. I don't normally ski in sunglasses ever, but I'm going to have a little ski in these, see how they go. I think it'll be kind of cool because they're a little bit bigger than what I normally wear. It'll sort of block out some of that wind. It also has that little blue light coating on the inside as well, so a lot of the reflected light that's coming in from everywhere else is reflected back off, and that's on that inside coating on this side, not that side. Wind coming through. I was going pretty fast, but these are great. They're so clear, I can see everything. Yes, I'm still getting that peripheral vision. I can see out the sides. Frame doesn't really cut into much of my vision at all, but I really like them. Definitely going to use them again if I go touring. It's really perfect for Australian touring conditions, and I'm really glad that I got to try them. So thanks, Alexa.